If you're like me, all you want to do is create a brand that everybody loves. Something like Nike, SpaceX, Louis Vuitton, or the Washington football team.
Oh my God. No, please stop!
Then you start your first company and you feel completely overwhelmed by all the things you have to do and all those experts claiming,
now what if you make $1 million a month? Let's think bigger.
Since starting with digital marketing and e-commerce in 2009, I have learned there isn't just this one thing we need to do, but also that creating a brand that everybody loves is less complex than we make it out to be. I've had several startups, some of them actually only a bigger project if we're honest, sold some of them without having this big exit to live like the Wolf of Wall Street.
Functionally, I'm just like you. Jesus, that's depressing.
Right, but you're still basically a billionaire.
Not if you round down. If you round down, I have 0 billion.
I also had a career as marketing consultant for an online marketing agency, for a digital transformation consultancy that was eventually bought by EY, and recently built the brand for a space program. During all this time, I've worked with some of the greatest brands that you've ever heard of, and even more hidden champions that you've never heard of, with revenue figures that are just unimaginable when you're just starting out like you and me.
So you listen to me and you listen well.
The common thing I've learned from all these brands is that marketing isn't magic and most certainly not a complicated science. There are a lot of things that you can do, but that you're better off not doing now or not at all. But there are also a lot of strategies that can be applied by every business in the world. That's what this channel is for, helping you create an immortal brand one step at a time and focusing on what's really important, like for instance, instead of selling features, you're better off selling a story and clearly defining your audience. Every Monday I will release a new video where you and I get a glimpse into the marketing world with applicable advice instead of fluff. So subscribe now and let me be your guide through this insane world of ads, budgets and stupid brand names, and occasionally I'll also make a joke. Welcome to the Brand New show and let's start this journey together.
Now let's not